Ciao! Greetings from Italy. Today, I'm in Venice. Let's explore this beautiful water city and learn English together. Venice is not just one big area. It is actually made up of more than 100 small islands. Look at this water street. This is called a canal in Venice. I will ride this beautiful water taxi today. It is just for me. The driver is very friendly. He knows all the best places here. This seat is so comfortable. I can relax and look outside. Wow, our boat is going under a big stone bridge now. The view from this private boat is amazing. Everything is peaceful. That was an amazing ride.
Wow.
Thanks for the great trip.
Yeah.
Now, let's walk around the local market. I will buy this striped shirt here. It is a traditional Venetian style. Now I am switching to a gondola. It is a traditional Venetian boat. The sunset is beginning. The water looks like gold. I must take a photo here. This moment is wonderful. Venice is an amazing water world. Do you want to ride a private boat here? Please comment below. Thanks for traveling with me today. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. Ciao, bye-bye.